Hello, Shaggy. I'm glad you're better. My sister now has COVID-19 and she's thinking life is almost over. She's so miserable. So you're wondering about finding the p-value. And you have your hypothesis set up. You're looking at a mean and you're given up here the standard error is 1.8. So let me pause and go to Stat Key. So instead of using these bootstraps, we are actually coming to the theoretical normal distribution. I'm trying to tip it down because there's ceiling fans just going crazy behind me. Okay, now this is the standard normal. It's centered at 0 and it has a standard deviation here of 1, which is where it stops coming concave down and starts going concave up. But we edit the parameters and we put in the mean as 35, standard deviation of 1.8. Hoping I didn't. Okay, and I'm going to slide this over just a little bit so you can see that mean is 35, standard deviation is 1.8. And we want to know, I'm trying to pull up your photo here, and you want to know what's the p-value of, let me go back to the other photo, what was it, 36.5. So I'm going to do a right because it's above, and 36.5. You notice how I clicked on the one on the bottom down there. So down here is the point I'm interested in, and this number up here is what we refer to as the p-value. Let's see. So, okay, so there's a little slight rounding error there, but that's where the p-value comes from. See, it's 0.202 here, and you put in 0.203. So that's exactly where the p-value comes from. Now, if you want to change 36.5 down here to a z value, it will be, looks like it's a little bit more than 1. Z just measures how many standard deviations you are away from the mean. So we know that the mean is right here at 35. We come down and it's, well, actually it's probably slightly smaller than 1. But I don't care. I don't have to find a z value. We did z values when we had to use tables. We don't have to use tables. We'll let the calculator computer do it. So 35 and 1.8 and p-value of 0.0202.